What's up, guys? My name's Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are trying for the first time some authentic Thai food. We have pad Kee Mao and green curry.
Which I'm really excited. We're not going to eat it all tonight. We have literally so much food. So this is the dish we have with, which this one is the pad Kee Mao.
Yes. It's shrimp pad Kee Mao.
And then this is the green curry, which I can't really tell what's all in it. It looks delicious.
So in the green curry, I can go ahead and he wrote it down for me. It's so simmered in green curry sauce, which we've been told is like a gravy style kind of thing, with coconut milk, potato, bell pepper, Thai green eggplant, or Thai eggplant, onion, and Thai basil.
That looks awesome.
And we got this food from Kung Thai restaurant in Rockwall, Texas, right outside of Dallas. Thank you very much. They've got some great pad Thai. I've only ever eaten pad Thai
From there.
Well, Thai food.
Yeah. Same
I've never
here.
had any Thai food except for pad Thai.
That's all I've had, and I eat a lot of pad Thai, and I'm hoping that this one has a lot of. This is flat. Are these flat noodles?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Just like what we had in our last food video.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. I didn't try it.
You cheated.
I'm so sorry. It's such habit. I'm a fat boy.
Guys, down in the description below, we're gonna put a link to our Patreon account. If you guys want to sign up, it's $1 a month. If you can't, we understand. We're just glad you're here. Also in the description below, we're gonna have a link to our Discord. It's popping off. I keep saying that. We keep saying it's popping off, but
because it is.
I mean, we've got hundreds of people on there now talking daily. We hop in the voice channel and everybody chats in there.
We're almost at 400.
Yeah. So
it's truly popping off.
We're having a lot of fun in there, guys. Also, we recently started up our membership through YouTube. So if you guys want to hop on and become a member, we've got 2 different levels. Level 1, you do get some exclusive content, but once you get to level 2, you get
early videos,
exclusive vlogs. So if you want to help us out there and subscribe, we'll throw you out some exclusive content as well. And
we're considering adding another level where you get a discount on merch and stuff like that. But first, we have to actually come up with merch.
Yeah, we need merch first. In our live stream, which we will be doing yesterday when you watch this, we're going to talk about some merch ideas. Also, we have our P.O. box in the description below. If you guys want to send us snacks, love letters, or snacks.
And then the last thing that I wanted to go ahead and go over is everybody has their little armies, their names, their what they call their viewers or whatever you want to call them.
Goobers.
They're goobers. So what somebody had posted, I don't honestly remember, on one of our last videos. Yes, we call everybody our friends, but we would like to be able to put something on a shirt or something like that. And they said the Bean Sprout Army. So that's what we're going to go with. Just remember, you're always going to be our friends, but the Bean Sprout Army is what we're going to go with. So if you if you subscribe, you're subscribing, you are becoming part of the Bean Sprout Army.
Yes.
If you join our members, you're going to be one of the members of the Bean Sprout Army. So
and if you're just now watching us, understand we really love bean sprouts.
There's a few things that we love. Bean sprouts being a big part of it, and then also peanuts.
Peanuts is more of his thing.
That's my thing.
Yeah.
So, and thankfully, I've come to find out it's a huge part of Southeast Asian cuisine. Yeah. So it's a huge plus, and I see nuts in this. So
I'm so excited.
I am super excited. Let's go ahead and jump on in.
Yeah.
Oh, and another thing that we're changed is we are no longer going to be doing a video with these. So when we're actually trying these foods,
we probably will in some,
but
not most.
We want to focus on the food that we're eating and not make it an ultra long video just for no reason at all, really.
Exactly.
So this one I noticed they didn't detail the shrimp yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off one of the tails of the shrimp. Oh, that was super easy.
Yeah.
Shrimp. And then I'm gonna add as much as I possibly can onto this bite.
Got a nut.
Yeah, you gotta add a nut.
There's my bite right here. Real beautiful light.
Hold on.
Can you see it?
Let's see, it's not focusing.
It's okay. You don't need
Here,
to
I'll
see
show you
it.
mine.
Just know
Let's
that it's
see.
amazing.
And that just fell in my hand. Oh,
I need to grab a pepper as well. I'm gonna grab a jalapeno.
oh there's jalapenos?
Yeah. Jalapenos and bell peppers.
Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead and do this.
Ding.
Bink.
Mmm.
Ooh, it's got a kick.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. It's got some bite in the very front.
It's got a subtle bite to it. It's very. It's full. I mean, it's like
Yeah, it's very
it's got
complex.
so many different flavors in it.
So these noodles, one thing I've noticed about these noodles is they hold a lot of flavor in them.
Oh yeah.
Like not all noodles are that way.
Well, it's got mushrooms in it as well. I'm gonna grab just some of the veggies.
The nuts are kind of a side part to this as far as the flavor profile.
Get a bite of just some peppers. That's good.
Like just like these.
We're gonna hit the green curry in just a minute.
Oh yeah, I see the jalapeno. Oh, that is definitely what's giving it a kick. Let's see here. It's a beautiful colors. You got whites, reds, dark greens, light greens, in between these, in the greens. Did he mention what the sauce is? It's like a peanut sauce. Is it not?
Well, pad thai uses you can read it. Pad thai uses teriyaki and other things. Stir fry with
Chili sauce. Thai basil. Cashews. Which is my second favorite nut. Right after the regular peanut. I just think that the regular peanut, you can do so much with it.
Those bell peppers are cooked to perfection.
This is delicious. All right, I'm gonna take one more bite and then let's hop into the
Green curry.
yeah, the green curry. Is that egg? Or is that chicken or something?
Chicken. Yeah, it's ground up chicken.
Okay. It's funny how those kind of look like the same sometimes.
Wait. Tag.
Is it?
This curry also, it was a lot juicier until I split it into 2 bowls. It became less juicy.
Oh, that's another one of my favorite things is the mushrooms.
Yeah.
We went
And-
to a hot pot place about a week ago, and they had so many different options on the mushroom side. Oh, it was so good. I was so happy.
Mushrooms, they just hold so much flavor inside of them.
Take a
Yeah, clean the palate.
for my gamer nerds, G Fuel.
For my Discorders,
Cheers.
cheers. I'm gonna mix this up with some of the rice.
Yeah, you gotta get that rice in there. So, what was the meat in this? Chicken?
Yes.
Awesome.
Get some veggies in there.
That looks so
Some
amazing.
of that juice. Oh yeah, it looks good.
Okay.
So
it's vastly different. Holy cow.
oh yeah, it's a completely different. Like the flavors are nothing alike.
Like I would say
which makes sense. It's two completely different
If you were
dishes.
to close
but-
your eyes, ooh, that's got a real kick. Whoa.
So, I think I know what you're about to say. The curry laksa that we had. That might not be what you're about to say.
No, not at all.
The curry laksa that we had from Secret Recipe in Dallas that Alex made us for Malaysian cuisine.
Ooh.
It has a lot of similar taste to it. This has a little bit more of a kick.
Is that potatoes?
I know there is potatoes in it.
Oh yeah, that's potato.
This has simmered green curry sauce, coconut milk with potato, bell pepper, Thai eggplant, onion, and Thai basil.
That is spicy, but in a good way. Not like
It's
it
not
hurts.
overbearing. Yeah, it doesn't.
It's just noticeable. Like you're just like you might need to get a sip of something here and there.
You show them a close up on the.
I forget which way you have to go with this thing. I can't even tell, honestly. I'm sorry.
We're still new to the new setup.
Yeah, the extra head up top view display. So
This is amazing.
this is delicious. If you had to pick one, which one would you instantly go to first? It's so different. Like it's different like days. Like one day you're gonna be like,
This is
you
so
know what
good.
sounds amazing?
Well, so I was about to say at this very moment, the pad Kee Mao.
Yeah, at this very moment I agree. But what I was gonna say is if you close your eyes and you were to eat this, and I told you what color is it? Or asked you, would you go green? Would you say green? Because I feel like it does taste green, not in a bad way. It just
It does.
like if I were to close my eyes,
No, I can see that. Yeah. Kind of like if you're eating if you have like green salsa or something like that.
Yeah.
You can tell the difference between the green and the red.
yeah, oh yeah. This is delicious though. What was his name again?
That eggplant, Mike.
Thank you very much, Mike. You rock. If you're still watching, guys, just like what we do for Alex, can you put a thing down in the comments saying we love you, Mike, and thanks for giving us like I'm hoping a very authentic,
Yeah.
because I've never had anything like this before.
Yeah, I'm trying to get in contact with somebody in Thailand right now to get some more ideas on some more authentic, cuisines for us to try, dishes for us to try. If you're watching this and you're from Thailand, let us know in the comments. Hit us up in Discord, DM us, and give us some more suggestions, because we definitely want to branch out to other countries in Asia.
In
Just so we
Thailand,
can-
based off of these flavors, because probably our most common dish that we've eaten is going to be pad Thai.
And
Of
that's
Southeast
worldwide.
Asia.
Yeah.
Because that's just so convenient and it's easy to find. Like probably within 10-minute drive of our house, there's probably 5 different places to find pad Thai. So that's why it's so convenient for us. Malaysian food, we have to literally drive 45 minutes one way to get it.
Yeah.
I wish it was closer. Alex, I wish you were closer.
You're worth it, Alex.
You are 100% worth an hour and a half worth of driving.
But guys, yeah, let us know in the comments or in our Discord. Give us more suggestions on different dishes to try. We want to, as we've said before, share cultures worldwide. We want everybody to kind of intermingle, get to know each other a little better.
Yeah. We don't
So, yeah.
like all this separation of borders and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
We get why there are, but at the same time, we love everybody and we want everybody to love each other. So with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.